Essential documentation. Navigating ISF and customs requirements for electronics imports. Welcome back to our video series on customs brokerage and international trade. In today's episode, we will be discussing an important topic: ISF and customs documentation requirements for electronics. Importing electronics requires careful attention to customs documentation to ensure compliance and smooth customs clearance. Let's explore the key ISF and customs documentation requirements for electronics. The first aspect to consider is the Importer Security Filing, ISF. ISF is a requirement by U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, that mandates importers or their authorized agents to submit specific information about the arriving cargo before it reaches a U.S. port. When it comes to electronics, accurate and comprehensive ISF data is crucial. The ISF information should include details such as the importer of record, consignee, manufacturer, supplier information, vessel and container information, and a precise description of the electronic goods being imported. In addition to the ISF, several other customs documentation requirements apply to electronics imports. Commercial invoice: a detailed commercial invoice with information about the buyer, seller, quantity, value, description, and harmonized system (HS) code of the electronic products being imported. Packing list: a packing list specifying the contents, quantities, dimensions, and weight of each package or shipment containing the electronic devices. Bill of lading or airway bill: a transportation document that provides details about the shipment, including the port of origin, destination, carrier information, and the goods being transported. Manufacturer's declaration or certificate of origin: a document that certifies the country of origin of the electronic products, which may impact customs duties and trade agreements eligibility. Regulatory certifications: depending on the type of electronic devices, certain certifications may be required to demonstrate compliance with safety, electromagnetic compatibility, EMC, or other regulatory standards. It's essential for importers of electronics to ensure that these documents are accurately prepared and available for customs authorities upon request. Providing complete and compliant documentation is crucial for smooth customs clearance and to avoid potential delays or penalties. Additionally, it's important to stay informed about any specific industry-specific regulations or import restrictions that may apply to certain types of electronic devices. These regulations may include environmental requirements, labeling obligations, or specific permits, licenses for controlled goods. In conclusion, importing electronics involves meeting various ISF and customs documentation requirements. Importers must ensure accurate and comprehensive ISF data, and provide the necessary supporting documents, such as commercial invoices, packing lists, bills of lading, certificates of origin, and regulatory certifications. Thank you for watching this episode on ISF and customs documentation requirements for electronics. We hope you found this information valuable. Remember to stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we will continue to explore more topics related to customs brokerage and international trade. Thank you and see you next time.